Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect poached eggs using the Vortex method. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You will need very fresh eggs, a pot at least 4 inches deep, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Crack each egg into its own small bowl or ramekin, preparing them for the next step. This careful preparation ensures a smooth and successful poaching experience. Now, let's create that essential vortex. Bring your water to a gentle simmer. Avoid a rapid boil. Take a spoon and stir the water vigorously in one direction, forming a strong, consistent whirlpool. This spinning motion is crucial because it helps the egg white gather tightly around the yolk as it cooks, preventing it from spreading out. Maintain this spin as you prepare for the next step. With your vortex spinning, it's time to poach. Gently slide 1 egg from its ramekin directly into the center of the whirlpool. The spinning water will help the white wrap neatly around the yolk. Cook the egg for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly set white and a wonderfully runny yolk. Remember to poach eggs one at a time to ensure consistent results and avoid overcrowding the pot. Once your egg is perfectly poached, carefully remove it from the water using a slotted spoon. Gently place it on a paper towel for a few seconds to drain any excess water. Now, it's ready to be seasoned with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve your beautiful poached egg immediately on your favorite toast, with avocado, or atop a fresh bed of greens for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.